Vande, Vande, Vande. So I heartily congratulate all the students who are participating in the great event conducted by Resonance Hyderabad. So 75th Republic Day. This day is possible in 1950, January 26th. This constitution is implemented. Because of this constitution, 2 years, 11 months, 18 days, 308 intellectuals of India made a committee for the construction of the constitution headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So from last 75 years, there are so many up and downs. So now India become, it is not India. And then we move from India से भारत की ओर इस देश जा रहे हैं. And then now we are the 5th trillion economy. We are the 5th position in the throughout world. In coming 1 or 2 years, we reach up to 3rd place throughout the India, throughout world. So this is because, so India is moving from secular India to nationalistic approach Bharat. So this is the great transformation takes place from last 75 years. So it is not happened for only one day. I want to give only great example. Neeta Arya, Commandant, Lady Regiment, head of Azad Hindu Post constructed by the Subhash Chandra Bose. She is a lady. She is the major of that lady regiment. And then his husband is a spy in British rule. So one day there is a family, and then they were with us for 10 to 15 years. So and then the last day, he tried to ask the Neeta Arya for Subhash Chandra Bose. So one day that comes. Nation first, family next. So on that day, he is also spy. He is also having a gun with him. Neeta Arya also a regiment, lady regiment head major. And then she is also having a gun with her. So last, and then that spy knows where is Subhash Chandra Bose. And that time, whenever they reach Subhash Chandra Bose with her husband Neeta Arya and all, so immediately Neeta Arya shoot her husband because of the nation, because of the great leader. This is the patriotism. This is the nationalism. So that's why whenever girls awaken, that India, that Bharat awakes. So that's why. So almost all problems are suffered by the India. Only the reason, only the solution is nationalism, Kattar nationalism. So because इस देश का कंकर में शंकर है కాబట్టి ఈ దేశంలో ఉండే అన్ని కూడా పవిత్రమైనది ఇది కూడా ఇది ఇప్పుడు నేషనలిజం రూపంలో వస్తుంది కాబట్టి అండ్ దెన్ వి ఆర్ ద పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ వి ఆర్ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ మన కళ్ళు ముందరే ఇండియా విశ్వగురు అయిపోతుంది భారత్ విశ్వగురు అవుతుంది సో అండ్ దెన్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ వి ఆర్ ద హై విట్నెస్ ఫర్ ద इंडिया से भारत की ओर इस देश जा रहा है एंड देन वी आर सी विथ अवर आइज So once again, I congratulate all the students, then staff arrange this program. So and then whenever the colleges are there, and then people 100% busy with their academics. So and then that academic is mixed with the nationalistic approach, and then definitely that country grows. Once again, I congratulate all the students in this occasion. Thank you.